Hi everyone, welcome in Excel Magic Trick. Today we are doing the one of trick switch function. So what is the switch function? Why we are using the switch function? The switch function is compares one value against a list of values and return a result that corresponds to the first match found. Okay, so we have the two example of the switch here. So first is example. Let's see in the Excel how we are putting the switch function. So let's suppose we have one table here. In this table, now you can see here we have here some data. In these data, they are showing some values like names, grade, and the rating. And the one table is here that's showing the score and the rating. So let's suppose here what I'm looking for. I'm looking for the according to the grade. I want to give a rating here. Okay, so we are using the switch function. So we are writing equal sign then switch then expression. So expression in I'm selecting the grade. Okay, D5 is my grade. Now I'm giving one by one value. So syntax is saying expression, then they're saying value. Okay, and result one. So according to the syntax, value one is, let's suppose this is my value one. Okay, and this value, whenever this value will become, give me this output. Excellent. Okay, I'm freezing because I have to put it down. Okay, so I given the first value, then result, then I'm selecting second value and I'm freezing this, comma, this value, this is the result, then this value. So this is like the if function. Okay, so if you are comparing with the if, it's same like the if else multiple with the nested if. It's kind of the nested if. You can uh, like they behaving. Okay, because we are putting the multiple values, then we are giving the result in the one of the, then we are selecting the one by one. Okay, so this is the result. Okay, so I put it here the all the values, then I press the enter. Now you can see here automatically, but if one is there, that means they are excellent. Now I'm dragging down with the control D. Okay, now you can see here first whenever the one score is there, so they giving the excellent. if, if grade 2 is there, so good, then third, then they giving the average, 1 for excellent, 4 for poor. Okay, so according to the grade we are giving the rating here. Okay, so this is a one use of this switch function. And second example is saying, so let's suppose we have 5 customer here. The the user given the credit rating and the last year sales. Now they are saying, if the hurdle is saying, if my sale is 5 lakh, okay, then extend the limit, else then show low credit. Okay, so it's simply the if function. Okay, so but we are using here nested if function, but we are using here the switch function. Okay, so how we are putting the switch function? We are writing the switch, then we need to write true. Okay, so true, why we are writing the, this is the logical function, the expression want the true or false. Okay, so we are giving if let's suppose I given the true. Okay, so my expression given a true, then value 1, let's suppose the value 1 is saying this value 1, okay, is greater than equal to this, simply. Okay, I phrase it, then what we need to show it, the result 1 is extend the credit limit, else default or value 2 default result is low credit. Because let's suppose if the credit rating of the customer is 5 lakh or above, because we given the condition here, if 5 lakh or the above, then they will be show the extend limit, else any low income of the 5 lakh, then they will be show the low credit. Okay, then I press the enter. Now you can see here now they're showing the extend limit. Okay, now if I drag it down, extend limit, then low credit, because this is the less than 5 lakh. That's the reason it's showing the low credit. So first of all, you need to write the expression in the right, in the expression we write it the true, then we given the condition. Okay, we check with the sales, then we given the true or false condition, same like the ifs function. So this is all about the switch function, how we are using the if function in the Excel. Thank you.